Hi everybody, I've got a 2010 Chrysler Town & Country, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be simply replacing the hardware, the clips here that hold in the brake pads, and I'm going to be lubing up the pins, the caliper pins. I've already removed these two end pins or screws that hold on the caliper to the bracket, the brake bracket. They're really easy to break. They're 26 foot-pounds each, so you could take those off. And what I did is, you can have a coat hanger, but what I like to do is just set it here. And then here, these that hold on to the bracket to the brake are 21 millimeters. So I'll take that off and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so we've removed this from the rotor, taking it off. And I'm gonna be just taking these pads right on out. Gotta keep it in the right way as far as knowing which one went where. You'll always know that on the inner brake pad there's gonna be that wear indicator. And these are the caliper pins. You just kind of pull them out. Hopefully you have a boot kit that includes the clips and the boot. And what I'm gonna do is take this out, wipe off this old stuff, and I'm gonna use this Sil Glide. It's a silicone-based lubricating compound, as it says, and just lube that up real nice and slip it back in, pop it in with pressure, and the boot will automatically seat. Next, you're going to take these little clips, seat it on the inside, and it'll just pop right in. And do the same on the other side. Again, got this little lip here. I'm going to seat it and then pop it in. The tabs, these little tabs here, they go on the outside, okay? And now I've used copper anti-seize, and I've gotten right up in here. Copper anti-seize is by Permatex. You could get this from pretty much anybody, but the copper anti-seize is really good. It's number 39772. You paint the outsides of your pads where the caliper is going to be pressing on, and there you go. And before reinstalling our caliper, our bracket and then caliper, we're going to have to compress the caliper. So I'm using a C-clamp, and I'll just slowly wind this in and we'll be good to go.